balik pala, balik. Okay. Swerte natin, no? Very, very lucky. Very, very lucky to have it. To have. Okay. Pagmasdan nyo lang guys, ito yung diplomatic area dito sa Riyadh. Galing kami ng Philippine Embassy at ito yung daan na madadaanan ng kung kahit sino man ang pupunta sa loob ng diplomat. Ito yung ito yung kanyang itsura, diba? Ang ganda-ganda ng mga building dito, ang ganda ng palibot. Lahat siya ay talagang alagang-alaga ng diplomat area. Alaga talaga siya sa pagmamahal at pagdidilig ng tubig araw-araw. Hindi siya magiging malusog na halaman pag hindi ito inalagaan ng taga-diplomat. Kaya natawa na lang si Mayet.
Yes, I am here. And I make the driver on victory because nobody.
Nakita niyo po yung yung mga building na bilog-bilog. Kaganda parang siupaw. Parang burger din yung iba. Siguro inaano yan. Sinasadya ng gawa ng paggawaan ng mga bahay. Ayan. Ganon kaganda ang ating napanood sa araw na to dito sa Diplomat Riyadh Center, the capital of Saudi Arabia. The plants, the trees, the birds, all kinds of animals. Very, very nice. A very, very nice place to come and have your day good and complete with paniudto, panihapon, pamahaw. Kung sa Tagalog, tanghalian, hapunan, agahan. Yan. Papunta kami doon sa pananghalian namin ni Kiara Megan para mapawi ang kanyang kagutuman. Gutom na daw siya dahil sa kanyang time na ginugol paghintay sa kanyang transaksyon doon. At ganyan talaga ang OFW.
Yeah, patience.
Magtiyaga. At sa kalaunan mayroong ilaga. Makikita nyo ang kalangitan, napaka ang kalangitan, kulay sa kulay na maganda ang panahon. Guys, malamig na may araw, so hindi mo gaanong ramdam ang lamig dahil may araw siya. Araw ng Huwebes dito sa aming pinuntahan sa Philippine Embassy, at kami ay pupunta para maghapunan. Ay, tanghalian pala. Ay, tanghalian. Diba? Napakaganda ng tanawin, no? Napakaganda. Talagang ang ganda-ganda lang talaga na pagmasdan ang nature ng ating mundo. Mundo ng nature ng mundo. Ang mga kahoy na nagsisayawan sa hangin, at feel ang nature. Nasa ilalim ng tulay ang aming sinakyan, at tayo ay ating panurin ang paglalakbay sa ating nadaanan dito patungo sa pananghalian. Tulay na naman. Tulay na naman. Diba ang ganda-ganda lang talaga ng palibot sa kalsada. Hindi siya kulay green lang talaga. Nature lang talaga.
Blue ribbon.
Okay.
Filipino?
Oh,
You're not Filipino? Okay. Oh, it's okay. We are on the way going to Red Ribbon because we are on the car. Can we just order now, and then I will just take out after. We don't need to wait there.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Ordering the food before we reach.
I want to order now, sir. Okay, what you got? What food you have with the soap? With the soap. It's like nilaga. Yeah, sinigang. Yeah, bulalo. How much is the bulalo, sir? 42. The bulalo. What you call this? Bulalo beef. Yeah. Sinigang. What do you want natin? Sinigang na bulalo. Yeah, I want to sinigang
anything.
na bulalo. What? Do you have a sinigang bulalo? It's not a fish, huh? Sinigang na bulalo. Okay, yeah.
Sinigang na bulalo.
With extra asim. Yeah, extra asim. You have it? Yeah, extra asim. Yeah. And then what is the package of that one, sir? There is a rice? With rice. Okay. Just give me 2 extra rice. Yeah. So that one. And what dessert you have?
The Eye Center.
Egg pie. Okay, I want to get 2 egg pie. So
Adidas,
yes, so
Black
one
Car.
bulalo, sinigang,
Consulting
Beef,
clinics.
with rice. Yeah.
Very nice.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes. And yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Mayet. MYET. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
My
minto
mobile number
tayo, guys.
is 0504 55
Okay.
10
Ayan na.
58. Yeah. Yes, sir. And I I'm gonna pay it by card. Okay. Okay, sir. Yeah, we are on the way. You're welcome. Assalam.
Yan yung Social Development Bank. Kita nyo? Kita nyo, guys?
Narinig niyo yung pagbilang ko ng
Venus Hospital. Oh. Venus Hospital. It's a hospital. A small hospital. High Commercial Center. Specialized Medical Center. Oh, there. Specialized Medical Center
Yeah.
is there.
In there, yeah. Can I open this one for you? Oh my god. It feels busy the environment.
Okay guys, let's enjoy
You know
it.
the red ribbon,
And thank you so
blue
much
ribbon in
for
Have two
the
plates,
love
one before
and
stoplight, one after stoplight.
thank
There is two
you
red
for
ribbons
much.
there.
I think Boribon
And blue
or